So this is the last in the series of HRPTOF tutorial videos. So just want to show you some plots that I created. Here is the UMR and the HR versions of my PTOF size distributions for our main species, and then plus org 44 by itself in this plot. So the first thing we're noticing, of course, is that for the organics, the unit mass resolution is a lot smaller than the high-res version. And I want to tell you that both of these plots were created without using this scale or normalized to MS data. So most of the time you do want to use that. So now I'm going to replot these. This is going to be scaling to the unit mass resolution data for all these species, and then these other values are going to be updated for my high resolution. And I want to notice a few things here. I'm going to do this real quick. So my thick sticks have been updated, and now my other sticks are going to be updated. So what we're seeing here is still that my high resolution sticks are a little bit, or my size distribution is a little bit higher for this. I can see this dip in CO2. If I go to my ePTOF, or excuse me, my regular PTOF, and I'm looking at master charge 44, I noticed I listed it as my DC region 2 only. And I can see that this region is just a little bit higher than this, and that's causing the subtraction to be 0 through here and causing this to be less than 0. So when I normalize it, my unit mass resolution is going to be smaller because of these negative values through here. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you're subtracting DC1 region, like I did through here, it makes sense that my high resolution is going to be higher for, in this case, for CO2, and then for some other values as well, having to do with air. So the last thing I wanted to quickly show you is an example of seeing the mode and the mean on the same plot. So let me just plot this real quick. This behaves real similar to the UMR case. Oops, ignore that. Ignore all of that. And I'm going to redo that again so I can plot it. And what I'm showing here, just like in the unit mass resolution case, here's my image plot, and then on the right, I'm plotting the mode and the mean on this axis, on my left axis, and then I'm showing basically what I get if I'm finding the PTOF area in these little circles through here. I can see that I'm getting a lot less than I am from using my mass spec data, and that's that all kind of holds together and makes sense. So these are some fun graphs that you can make, have fun, enjoy, and contact me with any questions at donna@aerodyne.com. Bye-bye.